There's a bunch of gooses out there. Geese. They're making all kinds of racket last night. I thought they were on the river, but I guess they're over here. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try and give them some food. I got some Cheerios or some whatever, Frosted Flakes or something. Let me see if I can navigate this. I'm looking for a spot that don't look like it's too dangerous. All right, this should work, hopefully. All right, cool. That'll be close enough. There's a bunch more over there. You can hear them. These ones over here ain't making no noise. See if I can. I don't leave my damn scooter right in the middle of the road over there. Oh shoot! Oh, goes a bunch more over there too. I thought there was more of them. And plus, I can hear a bunch of them. I see a bunch of them flying around over there. Let me see if I can get a little closer. Now she's starting to walk away. Oh, get their attention. There goes a bunch of them flying. I definitely wish I had me a better camera. Much fully zoomed in, I think. Yeah. Oh well. There they go. Oh, there they come. Right over my head. Birdies! And there they go.